Hi, so as you can see, it's my first video here on YouTube, and probably it will be uploaded on TikTok. And I would like to introduce myself. Um, why did I create this channel, Virginity? First of all, the main reason was when I was a kid, I always wanted to have a channel and to create a group of people that I can communicate with and they watch my films. And also, I think I can share my passion to the others. Um, what will I post here? Yeah, exactly. I said my passion. Um, Maybe I will come here later because my passion is connected with the things that I like. And what are my goals? Generally, as I said before, to create a community that can share ideas, that can help each other to learn and make things that work. And about me, um, my passion generally, um, engineering. I'm high schooler in second class in second year, and I love engineering, STEM, science generally. I will post here projects connected with um, um, electronics and robotics. And I also like to listen to politics, what's going on the world right now. Like I enjoy watching TV and listen to the news during the eating. Generally, it's because I want to know what's going on in different um, parts of the world. And also, I create music. It's like I'm creating the lyrics of a rap music. I like Rap Camora, Deutsch rapper, Germany rapper. And from French, I like Caris, and from Poland, for example, Santino. Yeah, I'm from Poland. I can speak in English and Polish, a little bit in Germany, and I know some words in Spanish. Um, Society projects, generally building an apps for helping the people in need. I mean by that, for example, to solve the issues where people face every day. And first of all, I will show you some keywords. What will I post here? As you can see, we can um, divide it into drones, satellite, swarm, guns, 3D, and apps. My first project, I will upload it very soon because currently I'm finishing my 3D model of something. You can you can check what's this on my media um, for like maybe 1 or 2 days. And thanks for watching. Generally, everything I will post here, and maybe I will create my first blog or something. So see you.